So hello guys, welcome back, and today you're seeing my new setup. I got a MacBook Air M1 for this, and this was my setup today. I traded 4 pairs, made around good money. We are up around 2%, could have been easily around 2.3 or 2.4%, but the spreads on paper trading account is not really nice, so I'm gonna switching to XNS. At the end of the day, whatever the balance is, I'm gonna reset that account on the XNS. I'm gonna keep that demo money according to this account balance, and the further trades are gonna be taken on that account, so we are not should be actually trading in the live market with live market conditions and spreads rather than paper trading and giving a lot of spread. For example, let's say I'll show you the $69 was $500 profit, 340 was $500 profit, 1018 was right, but a 246 also was around 350 or 400. So we have got around 2.5%, but we are actually standing at right now 1.7% due to the paper trading spreads. So I'm going to be switching to that. I'm going to make some transition to that, but the account over here is going to be here, and the further trades are going to be taken on that account. So it would be present over there, and all the paper trading is going to be done on the XNS account from now on. And if you look at this Mac, I analyze on this big monitor, and I do my business works and other stuff when I'm not trading on this. Like if the stream is working on this monitor, I use this monitor to do other stuff or monitor my streaming. And this is my keyboard, a very normal keyboard over here. Then we got a mouse over here. I got a clock for myself for the New York time. I use it for the New York time. Currently this is not working, but it has got a bell in it, an alarm in it. You can set alarms, but currently this is not working because I haven't gone down to get my battery, so I'm gonna get it by today. And this is my specs over here which I use, and this is the mic which I use, and this is basically the diary which I've shown you. I'm gonna show you the first page today because everything other than that is personal, so obviously I'm not gonna show it. I'm just gonna unlock it and I'm gonna show it to you. So I've written 4 quotes over here. Are you good enough on your worst day to beat your opponent on the best day? And the second one is there are 2 kinds of people: successful, others who didn't focus. Third one is if you really wanted money, you wouldn't be able to sleep until you had it. And the fourth one is Julius Caesar burned the bridges behind his army. The message was clear: victory or death. They conquered. Men are unstoppable when there's no way back. I might have not sounded very motivating or something, but if you go to the depth of these quotes, the quotes are really nice. So that's it. I think this is a very short video. I'm not a course or do anything at all in this video, because obviously this is a new set of video, and I wanted to inform you that we are streaming from around 12 New York night time or the London session until and unless the 12 p.m. lunch, or if 7 to 10 New York Kilson doesn't present any opportunity, then we close our trading system, or we trade until and unless the 12 p.m. lunch. So it's around 12 hours of trading daily, and we're gonna focus on that, and we're gonna be scouting the best opportunities. I'm gonna be executing like a fucking robot. I didn't want to say that, but I did eventually. So yes, we're gonna execute it like a robot. So I'll see you later. This clock is gonna be working fine from tomorrow. I'm gonna get the batteries for that. Hopefully you have seen my setup now. A very simple setup, but very effective if used properly and if I follow my system. So I want to see you in the New York session. Right now it is 4 o'clock. I'm gonna see you at around 5 New York time, and I will see if there are good enough setups to be risking more money for today. If not, then We're gonna just gonna wait for the setups, which if it presents itself, then we're gonna take it. If it doesn't, then we're not gonna take it. If you wanna see the setups which we have taken, you can go on to the day 9 streaming which have added, or you can just go on to the date of this. What's the date today? I will check out. What's the date today? Today is November 27th. So November 27, 2024, you can check out the stream of that particular day. You can see the setups I have streamed on that day, and you can go through everything, whatever setups I have taken, how did I manage those setups. I'm still not a perfect trader. Nobody can be a perfect trader, but I'm still trying to learn. But I think I can be a profitable trader in a matter of months. So I will see you later. This looks classy, right? The clock looks classy with this diary. So I'll see you later. Until then, good luck trading and take care.